Most people start a business with a certain level of doubt or fear. They are not certain if their business will be a success. Most of their hard-earned money has gone into the business, leaving them close to broke, so all is riding on the business, hence the fear and anxiety. The certainty is not there. Will I be able to keep my business up to date? Will people see my business? Will they come to me? Will they buy my products? Will I have repeat customers? Will I make enough to pay off what I owe? When will I be able to make a profit? These are just some of the questions a new business owner must endure. It is scary. Very scary. And sadly, most businesses fold. Onpassive is the opposite. Success from the get-go is a certainty. With a market reach of over 4 billion globally, getting customers is a certainty. We have over 50 products run with the latest AI technology, which everyone and their gran will want because they are better, cheaper, and they are all under one roof for a respectable monthly cost. With a global customer volume this large, it will rain commissions daily, weekly, monthly, meaning your cash flow is always in the black and funds will be available anytime you require them. Once you pay for your monthly subscription out of pocket for your very first month, the following monthly payments are made from profits, meaning you will be rolling towards a profit from day one. Nothing else to pay, just money coming in continuously. Your customer base will grow daily as they will be paying you monthly, meaning your income will grow and grow and grow. Residual income is unlimited here. Everything is automated, hands-free, done for you, no referring, no recruiting. You are earning while you sleep, play, travel. Your passive business will give you such a lifting feeling you will wonder why you took so long to decide to get in. You are in right. If not, what are you waiting for? Founder positions are still only $97. What you get for this amount is equivalent to getting the cosmos. You have so much to gain here and nothing to lose. Even the $97 is refundable. So why not come and have a look at what this amazing business can offer you? 628,000 plus have and growing, daily, globally. This opportunity is a life changer. Give your children, grandchildren the start in life they deserve. Do not make them go through the mess we had to go through. They are too precious. I am a PM away and can still get you in. Here, once you are in, you win. Bobby Diraag UK. A Bill Must production.